Tell you how I lost $36,000 last night. So had a property under contract. It smoking deal. Got it at a phenomenal price. Decided to blast it out to our whole database, right? We have about 10, 15, 20,000 people we send it out to, depending on which list we're sending it to. And sent it out, got extreme interest on this property, and we had it. I had interest in it to assign it for a profit of $72,000. But what happened is, one of the people that are on, we build our list with a lot of real estate agents, and because we have a lot of real estate agents, we sometimes this happens, and it's very rare that it does, but one of the real estate agents actually knew the seller and sent them the ad that we had put out, and we were actually making obviously $72,000 more than he was selling it for, and he lost his mind, right? So this is really interesting to think about, because you know, if you don't blast it out, then you're not going to get the most amount. But if you do blast it out, you run the risk of maybe the seller seeing that you're selling it for more and getting butthurt. Sometimes they see it and they don't care, honestly. A lot of the times they don't care how much we're making on a deal, but this one obviously did. He was savvy, he owns a lot of properties, and he felt that he should be getting more for it. So he said he was gonna cancel the contract, which he can't. We can hold him to it. We can have our attorneys kind of send him a letter or put a memorandum on the property to make sure that he couldn't sell it to anybody else, but that takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of costs for the attorneys. So he wanted 35 grand more. So we ended up giving it to him, and the amount that we'll make, because we're just going to close it, is going to be less. So 72, I'm actually going to only make about 36, but I'd love to get your opinion. So comment down below and let me know what you would do in this situation. You've got a deal under contract, seller finds out that you're selling it for more, which is fine, but seller finds out and they want more money because they see that you're making a significant amount more than what or at least you're advertising it for a significant amount more than what you are selling it for. So comment down below. Let me know what you would do. Would you reduce the price? I mean, would you reduce the amount that you make? Would you stick it and fight it out with them and take them to court, or get a memorandum signed and cloud up the title? What would you do? I'm really curious to know, because you know, in my thought is, the faster we do these deals, the better. Move on, make good money, and move on to the next one. But maybe that's the wrong approach. Maybe I should stick it out and like fight it out and get it. But you know, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And also, you know, just as kind of a caveat, I think that the best thing to do next time is to actually close this deal as quick as possible. I have the cash to do it, close the deal, and then resell it before I try to assign it. But I really didn't know how big of a deal this was. I was really testing the waters. It's $75,000 more than we had it for. So I had no idea, and now I do, and I'm kicking myself because I didn't close it right away and sell it afterwards. But let me know your thoughts.